Good morning, Trek team. We're on the canal again, and this time we're at Sweet Rides and Smoothies. Notice the bike attached to that piano in the back. In fact, the people who own this store are the ones that started this whole piano campaign. I love it that it looks like it's a bike pushing a piano. How cool is that? This is a great place. It's so pretty inside. I wish I can show it to you right now. But you can rent bikes here. They also do bike repairs. They will rent you a bike for a half hour, half a day, or a full day. They have children's bike, men's bike, women's bike, and helmets. It's beautiful down here. This area is beautiful. In fact, in this area on Saturdays for I think it is 8 weeks, from 10 to 3, there's going to be a community market with vendors and people singing, and it's really a cool place, this area. So why are we here? I've said it about 3 times. We're here to talk about area. What kind of area though? Area of a circle. And so we're going to look at that piano bike over there, and I'm going to go over there and measure the radius. Remember, I hope you can see me. Remember, the radius is only from the middle of the circle out. That's the radius. All right? It's from the middle out. If I had another one, it would be over here. And notice a bike has a lot of spokes that have it from the middle out. What would it be called? This is a question I'm sure you know. If I had it together here, the whole thing, 2 radii, that's the plural of radius, 2 radii make a diameter. So let's go find out what the radius is. So I'm going to come over here. I hope you can hear me. I hope you can see me. And I'm going to measure from the middle out here. And I have gotten 14 inches. How would I use that to find the area? Very simple. We need our formula. A formula is like a recipe for doing our math. And our formula is area equals pi r squared. Remember pi from our last video at Apple Farms? Well, we're using it now. This is why you need it. And so let's plug in our radius. So pi equals, we said it was 14 inches squared. Be careful. That means multiply this by itself twice. So 14 times 14. You should know it by heart, but we'll do it. 4 times 4 is 16, carry 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 1 is 1. Add them up, 196. So now I can put that into my formula. I don't know if you can hear it, but the locks are just opening right behind us right now. So here's our formula. Pi 196. Do you remember pi? Pi equals 3.14. And a number next to a symbol means multiply. So we're going to multiply. Let me erase this so we have some room. Here we go. So if I have 3.14 and I am going to multiply that by 196, my radius squared. 6 times 4, 24, carry 2. 6 times 1, 6, and 2 is 8. 6 times 3, 18. Now I have to start here. 9 times 4, 36, carry 3. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 3 is 12, carry 1. 9 times 3, 27, plus 1, 28. My last one, the easiest, I start right under it. 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 3 is 3. Now I have to add them up. 4, 14, carry 1, here's my tens again. 10, 11 plus 4, 15, carry 1, here's 10 again. 10 plus 1, 11, carry 1, 6. Remember when I had decimals, I scoop them up to put them here? So I'm going to scoop up 2 places, throw them down. That is my area. The only problem is you must label area. So we're going to label it square units, whatever I use. So it's 615 44 hundredths square inches. Of course, we can also write it 615 inches squared. Be careful you do not put the square on your answer. So let's do our little song, our little ditty for this. And I know you know it. Here it is. You can copy it and I will sing it. Pi r squared sounds like area to me. Na 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 na. That's another video, I'll tell you the rest of it. But you know it, I'm sure. Try it again. Pi r squared sounds like area to me. Some people like to use this one. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Area equals pi r squared. Either one will give you the answer. Just always remember to label it square. So come on down, rent a sweet ride, drink a smoothie, enjoy the canal, and go home and measure the radius of your bicycle and find the area of your wheel. Trek with me again. Bye-bye.